Very dated. Bit of a flower thing going on here, look. There you go. Right, this is the bathroom. Shower. Nothing major here. Locked in things there. Towels everywhere. Like our old-fashioned light switch. Mirror. Bed where the action happened. Right. TV, more flower stuff. Light on the wall. Book. Chair. That's the room. And this is a room 4210, and this is the partial view of the garden veranda suite. There we go. Thing going on there. It's not the luxury we're used to, but it done us for 2 weeks, so not too bad. You just see the sea if you look through all them trees and all the foliage. Yeah, right. Over and out. Signing off. Trev, another vacation at Christmas. Staying at 4210 on the ocean in Jamaica. Right. One more quick look at the room. Bed's not made yet. Looks nice. Mirrors on the wall. Cupboard space. Bathroom. Needs updating. Right, laters.